So now we want to solve the inequality, and right here, it kind of can look a little bit overwhelming because there are a lot of fractions involved, and there are a lot of different places where you could definitely make a mistake and just mess the whole thing up. I want to remind myself, I've got to put my B in, that this is a two-step inequality, and I want to add and subtract before I multiply and divide. So this is a negative 1/2, which means that in order to get rid of it, I need to add 1/2 to both sides of the inequality. These cross out. Now, this is one place that I could definitely mess up. This is minus 2/3, and this is one of those tricky places where I need to keep my negative or keep my minus sign, and it turns into a negative. So I'm going to bring down that term, bring down my inequality sign. -4 plus 1/2, that's -3 and 1/2. All right, so now I need to get rid of the -2/3 b, and I say, okay, that's -2/3 times b. So the opposite would be dividing, and we talked in class that instead of dividing by a fraction, we just want to multiply by its reciprocal. So I'm just going to throw this in parentheses so it doesn't look like subtraction. And we're going to multiply by 3/2 on both sides of this inequality. The 2's cross out top and bottom. The 3's cross out top and bottom. The negatives cross out. Goodbye, negatives. And I bring my variable down. Here's another part that I can definitely mess up on. I multiplied by a negative number. This was -2/3. So right there, my negative, I need to flip my inequality sign. So don't forget to flip the sign when you multiply or divide by a negative number. And now -3 and 1/2 times -3/2 is 5 and 1/4. You might want to watch this video more than once just to kind of look through the steps and work your problem with this problem to make sure that everything is hunky-dory.